In this video, I will show you how to find Discord ID. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Discord. So you can use this to find your own ID, or you can find other people's Discord IDs. So the first thing you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto the gear icon to open up your user settings. From your settings, what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left-hand side and look for the app settings section, and in here you want to scroll down and click onto advanced. Now in here what you need to do is come up to the top and you want to turn on developer mode, so you just need to go ahead and turn the switch on just like so, and by turning on developer mode you're now going to see Discord IDs. So if you want to find someone's Discord ID, all you need to do is right click onto their name and click onto profile to bring up their profile. Then what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots which says more, and you're going to see an option here to copy user ID. So if you click this button, that's going to copy their user ID. Then of course you can paste that into like a notepad or something like that. And to find your user ID once you've turned on developer mode, all you need to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto your profile to bring up your profile screen, and again on here you're going to see at the bottom the option to copy user ID. So again you can click onto this and paste that and use that wherever you need to. So that is how to find Discord ID. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.